There he is. He's on the lookout. He's waiting for some poor old sucker to throw out some food. Yeah, all his buddies on standby. There's one over there. Got another one there. Yep. Yeah, which one of you guys pooped on my car? Got another bird over there. Flying around. Usually when the seagulls come in 40 miles like this, there's a storm out to sea. Yeah. Oh, you got some pigeons up there. Another bird. Some birds up on that pole. I don't know, maybe those ones are waiting for Costco to open up their food court. I've seen birds tame enough, they would take French fries right out of your hand. Yep. I don't know if they would eat bird food, wild bird seed with the corn in it. I don't know if they eat that or not. Yeah, you probably recognize me because I threw some dog food out the other day for you and you guys ate it. You barking yet? Now that pole there, he was standing on, I could have heard it, I thought I heard it rattling in the winds and it wasn't that strong. So it might be a little loose. Crows are out. Sometimes you see the seagulls chasing the crows. Costco's getting all geared up. There's one of those little birds up there you usually see at Costco's at the food court. He's waiting for them to open up, man. Yep. Yep, you got two more up there on that pole. Yeah, I got 35 and the sun is out. It's warming up really nice. Alright, anyhow, bye for now.